Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so we've got some trades going. This is, which one is this? Come on down here. This is pound CHF. That's the pound CHF for you. Let's put it at the bottom there. Maybe we'll put it here. Okay, so this is pound CHF anyhow. I basically gave the signal yesterday on the Telegram channel. So if you do want to follow me closely, well, actually, it was yesterday we had a live session as well, live training and trading session, and I basically gave this, trade, during the live session. That was the only trade I gave, but you can see it's doing well so far. We got in, we got in late. We got in somewhere around here yesterday or so, maybe somewhere around here, all about this line level anyway. And it pulled back, my goodness. It pulled back by about 20-something pips. Actually, that's not where we got in because I can remember it pulled back by a whole lot of pips, about as it came back here, it was about 40 pips or so. So let's do this. Yeah, so that was round about where we entered yesterday or so, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I see what's going on. I was wondering what's going on. It should be on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 4-hour. Oh, squashed it all up. Squashed it all up. Aha. Because obviously I marked up the chart on the 4-hour time frame, and I was wondering why there were so many candles. That happens, guys. It happens sometimes. Maybe I'm working too hard. Maybe I'm working too hard. Let's just do this and then let me explain what I was saying. Let's explain what I was saying. Okay, anyhow. So basically, this is today's candle, obviously. I mean, these two candles. So we got in here somewhere yesterday and it pulled back to about here. It came this low. There we go. So that was where we entered yesterday for a buy. Even though this is the price reversal zone, that is the price reversal zone. We're meant to enter there, but for some reason, we missed it. And when we saw when I saw the bullish engulfing candle and it was, willing to go on up, we jumped in somewhere here. And of course, what happened? Immediately it reversed. I'm sure a lot of those who took the trade with me during the live session were panicking after the stream, was closed. But anyway, I mean, this, as you can see, is the this is the stop loss, about 69.4, and the TP is about 141.6. It's a 2-to-1, 2R, which is good. So you can see currently, if you got in there with me, right about here, you should be 12 pips up, even though it gave as much as 28. Now, obviously, those who are savvy, traders would have entered again on a pullback. I usually do that. As a matter of fact, that's what I've been meaning to teach. Perhaps that's going to be my next class now, my next training session on Zoom, say maybe on Monday, because I'm not around on Tuesday. We usually have it on Tuesdays, but I'm not going to be around on Tuesday. So I might do it on Monday, otherwise it'll be the week, following. I'll be teaching how to stack trades, I'm sure you've seen people stacking trades, basically taking several positions, as this is, expected to go up. I could have taken several positions, even though I have taken two, on one of my accounts. You could take, multiple positions and begin to close them as they go, as the price continues up. What I have seen, some people do is stack, their trades run about the same place, run about the same price. And I'm thinking, okay, yes, I get it. You are confident, but things could go wrong. The way I stack my trades, the way I stack my trades, I find the safest to do is to, let's do this. So assuming I get in here at this entry, this price reversal zone, and it pulls back by about, depending on the currency pair, if it pulls back by anything, say between 5 to 7 pips, I will get in again. If it pulls back another, 5 to 7 pips, I'll get in again. So in this case, I would have been in 3 positions. I know this is huge. Obviously, the range here is huge. It's not 5 to 7 pips on this one, because this is pound CHF. Oh, that's about 14. Well, with volatile pairs or pairs that have a high ADR, what I'll do is I'll give it more room. I probably will enter, on the 10 pip pullback each time. So more or less something like this. So which means by now, if I took the final, if I got in the final trade here, by now I will be at least 50 something pips. I'll be up by about at least 50 something pips plus this other one. Let's just do it the simple way. Plus this other one, about 40, let's make it 40 for easy calculation. So 50, well, more or less, 60 plus 40, that's about 100 pips. And then of course, this one. So basically, if I had taken 3 positions on this one, by now I should be up by about, how many? About 130 pips. So just to say, guys, I mean, the harmonic patterns I post. Well, we don't win every trade, but a lot of the trades we do win. We win a lot of the trades. So I thought I would just quickly show you that. Let me also show you the other trades we are in. This is pound CHF. We are also in pound JPY. We've been in this one for about 2 weeks. You can see where we entered a small short, a small stop loss. Well, by now, really, you should have moved. You should have moved your stops to break even. Well, way more than break even. Just in case. But this one we entered yesterday. Even this one, you should have moved your stop, to break even. So this is definitely the way you want to do it. Now there is a new one I've just posted, which is this one. I've just marked up or drawn this one up. This is Euro JPY. You can see, obviously because it's still fresh, I'm sure no one has jumped in yet. But if you do see it, you can still jump in. That's the way we are looking at this playing out. Hopefully we'll get to that point there at C, giving us 140 pips. Now, even if it doesn't get there, at least you want to get as much pips out of this as possible. This is a bullish cipher pattern on the 4-hour. The stop loss, from the price reversal zone, which is D, is 56 pips or so. Now, this is a 5-point pattern, 5-point harmonic pattern. starting with the X, A, B, C, D. So the dip is usually where you'll get in. But watch some of my other videos, the live streams, as it were, to get an idea of some of the ways in which I take harmonic trades or trades generally. I won't be able to do that here. Now you can see the box there. It says, you could get more free signals on my Telegram channel. That's the Telegram channel. Once you join the Telegram channel, you'll be able to go on and join the free signals channel, because we have two channels there, as it were. This is the general one where you could ask questions, discussions take place and all that. But once you join this one, just scroll up, you would see the link to the free signals channel where I post all this. Now you can see today we have 3 up. I've shown you 3 now. This Euro, JPY, CHF, pound CHF, which is pushing up nicely. And this one as well. Let's make this bigger. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it bigger. Well, that's that one. Okay, come on now. What's happening to my charts? That's meant to be on the 4-hour as well, so that it's not this tiny. When I post the harmonic patterns, when I drop my harmonic patterns, it tends to be on the 4-hour time frame. It just gives myself and the members of Generational Wealth time to get in the trades, really. That's one of the reasons for doing that. And of course, it's meant to be, swing trades. I mean, most of my other trades tend to be day trades, but obviously, with the harmonic patterns, I use them for swinging. So that's that one. So that's the third one, a bullish pattern on pound JPY. Actually, I think there is another one. Well, that one has played out. Let me just go there anyway. Euro, New Zealand dollar played out beautifully. I got a lot of pips from that today. Probably, let me see. Yeah, I mean, from where it closed there, it's given about 70-something pips. I got about 50 pips from that or so. I've closed out now, but it seems like it still wants to drop. I'm not going to be bothering going into this trade again unless it gives us a pullback, and then we'll get in. So you can see with this one has played out. This was also a trade. We entered about 3 weeks now. We were in this trade for about 3 weeks. You can see there, that's the reversal, price reversal zone. It went up against us slightly. It didn't hit the stop loss. It came down, pulled back up for, another, opportunity. For those who missed the first opportunity, they got the second opportunity, or they got another opportunity, and it's been dropped. It just dropped, got to the final TP, and guess what? It's pushing even lower. Now, I'm not quite sure. There was another one, CAD JPY, that just went and hit, take profit very quickly. So I have since deleted that, but I didn't delete this because I know there's still something to reap from this pair. Anyhow, join the free signals channel on Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, just simply download it. That's what you need to do. Just simply download it and you should be fine. Download it onto your phone, onto the desktop as well. There's a desktop version as well, and you should be fine. Anyway, I'm gonna be muted for some time. If I find something else, I would definitely let you know. Otherwise, I'll be posting it on Telegram. Telegram is free to join. It's a free app anyway. So See you in Telegram. See you inside of Telegram. Right, yo. Right. welcome, welcome, welcome if you're watching. Yes, I mean, basically, you would have to watch, I did some teaching earlier on. You would have to watch some, well, from the beginning, but stay with me now. You can always rewind. There are three signals, on here today. There is this one, which is the Euro JPY. It's we're hoping to go long with it. We're hoping to take it to the sky, to the moon. There is also this one, which is doing well as well. We entered this yesterday during the live trading session. Well, actually, I should call it trading and training because we basically, I was training yesterday. I was teaching proper, some good stuff. So go back and, watch yesterday's live YouTube stream. I do some live training and trading on Tuesdays, every Tuesday. Like I did say earlier on, next week, however, I'm not going to be available. I'm not going to be around. So I might do a live stream on Monday. Otherwise, it will be the week after. So there's this trade. This is pound CHF, pound CHF. And obviously there is this one, which we've been, well, we took multiple, I took multiple positions. Let me not say we. I mean, obviously members of my trading community, my students and mentees, I believe took multiple trades on this one. At least it was copied on their, it was copied for them, because I do also have a copy trade service, which automatically copies my trades to that of my members. So we took multiple positions on this Euro New Zealand dollar. So you can see here, that was the price reversal zone. That was where we entered. It came down, went back, gave us another opportunity to take it down. And that's what we did. But you can see here, this is the final price, the final take profit, but it has broken below, it has broken past it. I also got about 50 pips or so from this one today. I'm out now. As you can see, it's probably going to consolidate for a bit before it continues down. But I didn't want to be caught in that one. So the fresh trades are this one, which we took yesterday, still fresh. I mean, you can see the risk. You can see the risk to reward. Let's do this. Where is it? Let's do this. The risk to reward is about 1 to 2, really. But that's pushed up now. So if you were to get in here where it is now, I would say, surely you don't want to be having this price as your stop loss. Instead, what you want to do is, place it somewhere here, just below this, swing low. And that would be about a stop loss of about 60, 68, 70 to get 100. Well, that's just the way it is. I mean, since you didn't catch it early, if you didn't catch it yesterday, then obviously it's not a risk reward of 1 to 2 anymore for you. Instead, it will be less. But it's still in a good place. It's still in a good place. I have posted this in the Telegram group. That's the Telegram group. I mean, also if you're on YouTube now, I also posted it in the chat there. Look below the video, as it's where you'll see the link there. Just click on it and join the Telegram group, where you'll get details of the trade and more. That's also where I do my mentoring as well. I provide some level of mentoring, but obviously if you want a one-on-one mentoring, then that's a different ball game. You need to speak to me about that. So yes, it's been a good week. There have been some powerful moves on the DAX. powerful moves on pound JPY. I've been trading it, both ways, up and down, as it were. So anyway, let me take a little break. I mean, I'll be coming off the Zoom soon, but I'll be back shortly. I'll be muted as well. Okay, now. Okay, guys. Anyway, I would leave it here for today. Like I say, we posted three. Well, this is played out, so I won't count this really. There are two trades, which are already on. The pound CHF, which we entered yesterday, as well as the Euro JPY, which I just posted. Now, the thing is, the Euro pairs, well, sorry, not the Euro pairs, the JPY pairs, JPY has been quite weak. JPY has been quite weak. That's why you would see a number of pairs or currencies paired up against JPY tend to be pushing up. An example being this one, which is Euro JPY. Euro is the base currency there. You can see it's pushing up against, the yen. So also Aussie dollar JPY, that is also a buy. I am also in that trade somewhere. one of my accounts, I'm also in AUD JPY. Then of course, the pound JPY is also bullish. It's also bullish. Let's do this. So you can see the pound JPY is also, but I mean, we have been in this trade for some time now. We've been in this trade for some time. You can see that was the price reversal zone. Very good risk to reward as well, 1 to 6. Obviously you can expect it, to do a zigzag on the way up, zigzag, and all that. It's not just going to go in one swoop, so that's why we have this pullback. But it is going to carry on up. I believe it's going to carry on up, and you will find all these and more on the Telegram channel. Obviously, click on the link in the description box and also in the chat as well, and join our free Telegram group. Okay, guys, catch you next time. God bless.